chemical name of this refrigerant is monochloro-difluoromethane, and its chemical formula is CHClF2. The color of this refrigerant's cylinder is light green, and it is a non-toxic gas. It is colorless, odorless, and non-flammable. This gas does not dissolve in water and is safe for normal use. At normal atmospheric pressure, 14.7 psi, its boiling point is minus 41.4 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 41 degrees Celsius. Its freezing point is minus 256 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 160 degrees Celsius. At a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, its latent heat is 93.9 British thermal units per pound, 217 kilojoules per kilogram. At this temperature, its pressure is 43 pounds per square inch, 297 kilopascals. Its discharge pressure is 173 pounds per square inch absolute, 1,194 kilopascals. This refrigerant is commonly used in air conditioning systems for cooling purposes. It is widely used in window air conditioners, split air conditioners, package units, and central air conditioning systems. This refrigerant is also used with reciprocating compressors and rotary compressors. So friends, this was complete information about Refrigerant R-22. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more HVAC learning videos. Thank you for watching.